This is the First Aid Beauty Hydrogel Dewy Gel Cream. Hydrating Dewy Gel Cream with Hyaluronic Acid and Ceramides. Just to give you some basis, this was sent to me from the brand, but as always, I would give my honest review. I am 35, and just to give you a little basis of where my skincare is and where yours might be, that I do have a little bit of fine wrinkles. I do get a little bit of dry skin, and that's why I'm always looking for something that will be able to moisturize my skin and something that I can wear under makeup, because that's super important to me, because I'm a makeup lover even though I don't have any on. That what I love too about this, it has hyaluronic acid, ceramides, squalene, and niacinamide. All those things really help you lock in the moisture on your skin, and you're really going to want to feel it. What I love too about this is, I know my mom is going to actually steal this because this actually sinks into the skin so well, and my mom hates when something, you can really feel it. I have so many nice skincare products for my mom, and she puts them on and she wipes them off because she hates how it feels. So as you can see, this is a tub. I'll get you in there. So as you can see, it looks nice and dewy in there. And we'll get a little bit on the top. And as you can see, beautiful. But it goes into the skin almost like melted, not melted butter because it's not greasy, but it just melts into the skin so beautifully, and that I can feel the hydration already in my skin, but I know that it's gonna dry down to like a nice non-sticky texture that I'm gonna be able to layer my makeup on it super well. And as you can see, my skin just looks super plump and super hydrated, but it doesn't have that sticky tacky feeling to it. So for me, because I'm always looking for, especially it's winter here, and I'm always looking for something to really lock in the moisture, First Aid Beauty definitely is a huge win for me. That's why this one's my new favorite.